ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider which provides developer-friendly and powerful SDKs and APIs to build many communication features such as video call, voice chat, live streaming, video conference, and much more. As you can see here, they provide pre-built UIs so that we don't need to spend much time building UIs from scratch. They'll provide a pre-built UI code which you can copy paste and develop rapidly. Yeah. Here you can see they provide one-on-one call kit, group call kit, video conference kit, live streaming kit, and a 20 plus pre-built UIs, much more. They also provide SDKs. SDK is for people who are going to build from scratch. And they also offer first 10,000 minutes free. And there is no catch for credit card here. You don't need credit card to start yet. Okay guys, let's start building. It will redirect us to the console. Here you have to register. As I already registered, I'll log in. I'll pause the video for a second. I'll log in and then I'll resume. Once you're logged in, it will redirect you to the admin console. Here you can view your analytic dashboard, statistics, projects, and other things. Here, as you can see, we have utilized 0 minutes out of 10,000 available minutes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have seen the login functionality, authentication and everything. In this video we are going to make this data dynamic, new variables data dynamic, and we are going to add a list of product screen and as well as the detail screen. Before moving on that, we need to add some data, dummy data, so that we can fetch our products from this data. So we are going to head on to Firebase and we'll minimize this as of now. Start a new collection. Let's name this collection as products. Give this auto ID, and first we need brand. For this, let's give Raymond. We need one more field, which is the description, and the description is just put whatever you want. And we need 3 more fields. One is image, the another one is price, and the type of the field is number, and finally the title, which is office shirt. And for the price, let's give it a random number, $32.99. And this is the URL. And for you guys to fill this detail, I will check out the description in which I have given the dummy data in the GitHub. I'll show you. I'll add one more folder, dummy data. Inside this file you can find the dummy data which you needed to copy and paste in the Firebase. I'll pause the video now and I'll continue whenever I'm done with that. Yeah, I'm done with adding the projects. Now you can see I have added a bunch of products. So yeah, let's start building it. Let's go to VS Code and let's start our server again. Now the server is up. Let's start building. First we delete this duplicate data. Let's hit save. Now it should show only one data. Now you can see there is only one data. Now we are going to fetch the data dynamically. For that we are going to get into Firebase, create a new file called product.js, and in this we are going to import some necessary components, collection doc, get doc and get docs from Firebase, Firestore. Yeah. Then we are also going to import database from the Firebase file. Let's create an arrow function to fetch our products. Export count get products equal to, it's a asynchronous function, and we are going to use the try catch block for error handling. Let's create a reference for our products. Collection, and we have to pass the first parameter as a database, and the second one is our collection name. We have used products as our collection name, so we are using products, and we are going to get a snapshot. Await get docs, and we have to pass the products ref. We are using get docs because we are going to get the multiple document files. That's why we are using get docs. If we are going to get only single file, we can use single file or single document. We can use get doc. Product snapshot dot docs dot map and ID. Just a minute. Yeah. ID is doc.id. Spread operator, yes. Now what it does is it will map through the product snapshot array, which is written by this get docs, and for each document it is assigning ID as document.id, and it is just inserting the rest of the data there. Yeah, and finally we have to return the products, and if it's error we have to just report the error, console.error. Yeah, let's save this, and for that we have to create a product context so that we can access it anywhere in the file, anywhere in the app. Fine, it's simple as that. Just go to auth context, copy, and head over to product context file. Just replace auth context with the product, and auth provider is product provider. I guess we are done now. Let's go to app.js and wrap it with product provider. Now we have to pass the initial values for the product, and we are going to create a state for the product as well. So we are going to pass the props as value is products and set products. Yeah, let's hit save. Let's move on to home screen, and we'll start implementing the function to fetch products from our database. Let's create a new arrow function called const fetch all products. There's a small typo. Yeah, equal to, this is a asynchronous function. So const result equal to, we'll just call the get products function which we created in the Firebase folder product.js file. Yeah, I will get products, and once the product is fetched, just a minute, we have to access the use context products comma set products equal to use context of, here we are going to use product context. Yeah, And finally once we get the products, we are going to set the final result. Yeah, and we have to execute the function whenever the page is initially, whenever the home screen is loaded initially, as soon as it loads. So we are going to call the fetch all products function inside the use effect. Use effect, basically what it does is it's just the use effect function runs at the initial rendering. Yeah, and yes, finally what we are going to do is, let's just map through the products array. Yes, and we are going to pass the key as product.id, and we have to pass some props as well. Title is product.title, and image is product.image, and description product.description, price product.price, and I guess we are done with it. And finally we have to pass the brand as well, product.brand. Let's hit save and run again. Let's go to the component, new arrivals code. We have to import that title, brand, image. Now you can see the list of products, and we have to make it dynamic. To make it dynamic, we just destructure the props whichever we sent, and we'll use it in the component. And brand, image, price. Yeah, here it should be price, and here it should be brand, and here it should be title. Here let's replace it with image, and yeah, I guess that's it. We don't need description here. We need description only in the detail screen page. Let's hit save and check. Yeah, now you can see the list of products. Everything is here, and it's dynamic as well. Let's start building the list of products screen, which is when we click view all items, it will redirect us to a page where we can see the all products. Let's create a one more screen. I guess we already have product listing. Yeah, perfect. Just paste this and then say context. Yeah, I guess now everything is perfect. Let's start building it. And before moving on to that, I guess let's go to app.js and let's go to tab navigator, I guess stack navigator, and here the initial route name should be product screen. I'm setting initial route name as product screen because it will be easier to debug for us initially when we are building. Yeah, let's refresh and it will work. Now you can see initially when I hit refresh, the first page it loads is product screen. Yeah, let's start building it real quick. Here also we need the products and set products. We are going to use the same products which we used in the new arrivals card. If you want, you can add a new collections in Firebase, and you can use that as well, product context, and same cons fetch all products, say synchronous one, fonts result equal to await get products, and set products of result. Fine, let's create a use effect. And the dependency array. Okay. Here first we set the navigation header bar. Here we need a back icon. Back icon to go back to our home screen. Let's start building it. I guess we have to import navigation prop here. Navigation and navigation dot set options. Fine, header title should be products, and header left it should be a pressable, and inside that we are going to use the material icons. Name is chevron left, and the size is 34 and color is black. Let's wrap this with double quotes, and for pressable on press it should go back. And we have to style this a little bit. Class name of justify center, item center, height of 10 and width of 10, margin x of 4 units, and it should be rounded. Let's save and run it real quick. Yes, we haven't built this item. Let's put it in command. Let's hit save again and run again. Property style sheet doesn't exist. Let's remove this and let's hit save again. Yeah, now you can see the back icon here. Fine, and fine, let's start building everything again. Header style background color should be, oops, I forgot to add a comma here. Then header style background color white, and header title align, it should be aligned in center, and the products should be fetched during the initial render. Fetch all products. That's it. Save. Yeah, now it's perfect. Let's start building a component to display the product item, and let's name this as product item.js, and we'll just import it over here. Let's save. Fine, let's start building product item. I'm just using the back picture as of now. Later we'll replace it with the actual data from Firebase. Class name, let's do this class name later. Let's create one more view, and inside that we need again one more view and an image. image. Yeah, as of now the source will be bag. Let's create a one more view which has the text, which is flag. One is for brand and another one is for title. Title might be title is bag and the brand is, as of now let's make it as traveler tote. Let's create a one more view to display the price, and the price will be, price is dollar. Let's make it, let's hit save and check. Yeah, now you can see. Let's start styling this. For image, we'll give this a class name. Image should be rounded and height should be 20 and width should be 20 units. Object should be contain. That's it, save. Yeah, now it's perfect. Class name of, let's give it a background of white and padding of 2 units. Justify center, items center so that it align everything in the middle with full, and margin bottom of 4 units. Let's hit save. Border and border of rate 200. Let's hit save. Don't worry about this, we'll fix this in a minute. Yeah, class name, item center, justify center, let's start styling this view. Let's give this a class name of flex1 and a width of 100% and a padding of 2 units. Let's hit save. Just a minute. Let's fix this issue. First we'll go to the product list screen, safe area view, and let's style this with flex1 with full padding x of 4 units and background white. Let's save. Inside this we are going to create a scroll view, and inside that we are going to create a pressable. Inside that product item should be there. Let's hit save and check if it's running perfect or not. Yeah, sorry guys, I just made a mistake. It should be flex row. Yeah, now everything is fine, I guess. Let's remove this padding of 2. Let's hit save. Let's hit save again. Yeah, now it's perfect. Fine, let's start styling the text. Let's give this a class name of font bold. There's a small mistake. View. Okay. Here we should create a one more view. I guess now it's fine. Yeah. Text of small size, and this one should be a class name. Class name of again a small size. Margin top of 2 units. Let's save. Yeah, now it's looking good. Let's make it dynamic. Now you can see the list of items. Let's start destructuring it. Title prop is product, not title. And image is product dot image. This one is price, and this one is brand. Image, title, brand, and price. Let's replace this here. URI is image, title, brand, and price is price. Let's save. And product is, let's save here once again. This should work now. Yeah, now you can see the list of products here as well. Fine, let's start building the detail screen. Before moving on to that, let's go to the home screen. And just a minute, we are yet to build the go back function. So const go back, navigation dot go back. Yes, that's it. So just go to home screen, and we have to home screen. Before that, uncomment this, go to home screen, and let's map this. On press arrow function, navigation dot navigate to product list screen. Let's check the screen name. I guess it's product screen. Yeah, Now it's fine. Let's save and check. Before that, just remove this, save it. Now you can see when we click view all, it will display the products list. If we click this icon, it will navigate back to the screen.